Hello friends, in today's lecture, Unit 3, Duality in Linear Programming. Formulation of dual linear programming problem. There are two important forms of primal and dual linear programming problems, namely the symmetrical means canonical form and the standard form. Symmetrical form. Suppose the primal linear programming problem is given in the form maximize zx is equal to c1x1 plus c2x2 plus up to plus cnxn, subject to the constraint a11x1 plus a12x2 plus up to plus a1nxn less or equal to b1, a21x1 plus a22x2 plus up to plus a2nxn less or equal to b2, up to am1x1 plus am2x2 plus up to plus amnxn less or equal to bm, and x1 x2 up to xn greater or equal to 0. Then the corresponding dual linear programming problem is written as minimize zy is equal to b1y1 plus b2y2 plus up to plus bmym, subject to the constraint a11y1 plus a21y2 plus up to plus am1ym greater or equal to c1, a12y1 plus a22y2 plus up to plus am2ym greater or equal to c2, up to a1ny1 plus a2ny2 plus up to plus amnym greater or equal to cn, and y1 y2 up to ym greater or equal to 0. Primal linear programming problem. Maximize zx is equal to c1x1 plus c2x2 plus up to plus cnxn. તો ડ્યુઅલ linear programming પ્રોબ્લેમમાં મિનિમાઇઝ zy is equal to b1 y1 plus b2 y2 plus up to bmym. Primal linear programming problem માં subject to the constraint a11x1 plus a12x2 plus up to plus a1nxn less or equal to b1. Dual linear programming problem a11y1 plus a21y2 plus up to plus am1ym greater or equal to c1. Primal linear programming problem માં less or equal હોય તો dual linear programming problem માં greater or equal થશે. એ જ રીતે બધા કન્સ્ટ્રેન્ટ આવશે. and non-negativity condition x1, x2, up to xn greater than or equal to 0. તો ડ્યુઅલ linear programming પ્રોબ્લેમમાં y1, y2, up to ym greater or equal to 0. In general, the primal dual relationship between a pair of linear programming problems can be expressed as follow. Primal dual. Maximize zx is equal to sigma j running from 1 to n cjxj, subject to the constraint sigma j is equal to 1 to n aij xj less or equal bi, where I is equal to 1 to up to m. Dual linear programming problem. Minimize zy is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to m biyi, subject to the constraint summation I is equal to 1 to m aji yi greater or equal cj, j is equal to 1, 2, up to n. અહીં aij અને aji બંને ઇક્વલ છે. પ્રાઇમલ linear programming પ્રોબ્લેમમાં xj greater or equal to 0, where j is equal to 1, 2 up to n. અને dual linear programming પ્રોબ્લેમમાં yi greater or equal to 0, I is equal to 1, 2 up to m. A summary of the general relationships between primal and dual linear programming problem is given in table below. If primal objective is to maximize, then dual objective is to minimize. Second, if primal jth primal variable xj, then dual jth dual constraint. Third, if primal jth primal constraint, then dual ith dual variable yi. If primal variable xj unrestricted in sign, then dual constraint j is equal to type. જો primal variable xj unrestricted in sign હોય તો dual linear programming problemમાં dual constraint j is equal to type થશે. If primal constraint I is equal to type, then dual variable yi is unrestricted in sign. If primal constraint less or equal type, then dual constraint greater or equal type. Rules for constructing the dual from primal. The rules for constructing the dual from the primal and vice versa using the symmetrical form of linear programming problem are: number 1, a dual variable is defined correspond to each constraint in the primal linear programming problem and vice versa. Therefore, for a primal linear programming problem with m constraint and n variables, there exists a dual linear programming problem with m variables and n constraint and vice versa. Second, the right hand side constants b1, b2, up to bm of the primal linear programming problem becomes the coefficient of the dual variables y1, y2, up to ym in the dual objective function z(y). Also the coefficients c1, c2, up to cn of the dual variables x1, x2, up to xn in the objective function become the right hand side constants in the dual linear programming problem. Number 3. For a maximization primal linear programming problem with all less or equal type constraint, there exists a minimization dual linear programming problem with all greater or equal to type constraint and vice versa. Therefore, the inequality sign is reversed in all the constraints except the non-negativity condition. Number 4. The matrix of the coefficients of variables in the constraint of dual is the transpose of the matrix of coefficient of variables in the constraint of primal and vice versa. Number 5. If the objective function of a primal linear programming problem is to be maximized, the objective function of the dual linear programming problem is to be minimized and vice versa. And number 6. If the ith primal constraint is equality type, then the ith dual variables is unrestricted in sign and vice versa. Now example. Write the dual to the following linear programming problem. Maximize z is equal to x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 subject to the constraint x1 plus x2 plus x3 less or equal to 10, 2x1 minus x2 minus x3 less or equal to 2, and 2x1 minus 2x2 minus 3x3 less or equal to 6. Non-negativity condition છે x1, x2, x3 greater or equal to 0. Solution. In the given linear programming problem, there are m is equal to 3 constraint and n is equal to 3 variables x1, x2 and x3. Therefore, there must be m is equal to 3 dual variables and n is equal to 3 constraint. Further, the coefficient of the primal variables c1 is equal to 1, c2 is equal to minus 1 and c3 is equal to 3 become right hand side constant of the dual. The right hand side constant b1 is equal to 10, b2 is equal to 2 and b3 is equal to 6 become the coefficients in the dual objective function. Finally, the dual must have a minimizing objective function with all greater or equal type constraints. પ્રાઇમલમાં બધા કન્સ્ટ્રેન્ટ લેસ ઓર ઇક્વલ ટાઈપ છે, તો ડ્યુઅલમાં બધા કન્સ્ટ્રેન્ટ ગ્રેટર ઓર ઇક્વલ ટાઈપ આવશે. ઇફ y1, y2 and y3 are dual variables, corresponding to 3 primal constraint in the given order, the resultant dual is minimize zy is equal to 10y1 plus 2y2 plus 6y3. Subject to the constraint y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3 greater or equal to 1. Second constraint y1 minus y2 minus 2y3 greater or equal to minus 1. અને third constraint y1 minus 2y2 minus 3y3 greater or equal to 3 and y1 comma y2 comma y3 greater or equal to 0. નોન નેગેટિવિટી કન્ડિશનમાં ઇનઇક્વાલિટી સાઇન ચેન્જ નહીં થાય. Example. Write the dual of the following linear programming problem. Minimize zx is equal to 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 4x3 subject to the constraint 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3 greater or equal to 7, 6x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 greater or equal to 4, 7x1 minus 2x2 minus x3 less or equal to 10, x1 minus 2x2 plus 5x3 greater or equal to 3, 4x1 plus 7x2 minus 2x3 greater or equal to 2 and x1, x2, x3 greater or equal to 0. અહીં ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ ફંક્શન મિનિમાઇઝેશનમાં છે. તો કોન્સ્ટન્ટના ટાઈપ ગ્રેટર ઓર ઇક્વલ ટુ આવશે. અહીં આપણને 5 કોન્સ્ટન્ટ આપેલા છે, એમાંથી થર્ડ નંબરનો કોન્સ્ટન્ટ લેસ ઓર ઇક્વલ ટુ ટાઈપનો છે. તો થર્ડ નંબરના કોન્સ્ટન્ટને બંને સાઈડ -1 વડે ગુણીશું. Since the objective function of the given linear programming problem is of minimization, the direction of each inequality has to be changed to greater or equal to type by multiplying both sides by -1. The standard primal linear programming problem so obtained as minimize zx is equal to 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 4x3 subject to the constraint 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3 greater or equal to 7. Second, 6x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 greater or equal to 4. હવે થર્ડ નંબરના કોન્સ્ટન્ટને -1 વડે ગુણવાના છે. તો -7x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 greater or equal to -10. x1 minus 2x2 plus 5x3 greater or equal to 3 અને 4x1 plus 7x2 minus 2x3 greater or equal to 2 and x1, x2, x3 greater or equal to 0. if y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5 are dual variables corresponding to the 5 primal constraints in the given order, the dual of this primal linear programming problem is stated as primal linear programming problem માં objective function is of minimization. તો dual linear programming problem માં objective function is of maximization. Therefore maximize zy is equal to 7y1 plus 4y2 minus 10y3 plus 3y4 plus 2y5. The right hand side constants b1, b2, up to bm of the primal linear programming problem becomes the coefficient of the dual variables y1, y2, up to ym in the dual objective function zy. Also the coefficient c1, c2, up to cn of the primal variables x1, x2, up to xn in the objective function become the right hand side constants in the dual linear programming problem. And subject to the constraint 3y1 plus 6y2 minus 7y3 plus y4 plus 4y5 less or equal to 3. હવે second 5y1 plus y2 plus 2y3 minus 2y4 plus 7y5 less or equal to minus 2. અને થર્ડ નંબરનો કન્સ્ટ્રેન્ટ 4y1 plus 3y2 plus y3 plus 5y4 minus 2y5 less or equal to 4 and y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5 greater or equal to 0. પ્રાઇમલ લિનિયર પ્રોગ્રામિંગ પ્રોબ્લેમમાં ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ ફંક્શન મિનિમાઇઝેશનમાં છે તો કોન્સ્ટન્ટમાં ઇનઇક્વાલિટી સાઇન ગ્રેટર ઓર ઇક્વલ ટુ આવશે. તો ડ્યુઅલ લિનિયર પ્રોગ્રામિંગ પ્રોબ્લેમમાં ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ ફંક્શન મેક્સિમાઇઝેશનમાં છે અને કોન્સ્ટન્ટના ટાઈપ લેસ ઓર ઇક્વલ ટુ આવશે. હવે નોન નેગેટિવિટી કન્ડિશન y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 greater or equal to 0. તો પ્રાઇમલ લિનિયર પ્રોગ્રામિંગ પ્રોબ્લેમના કરસ્પોન્ડ આ ડ્યુઅલ લિનિયર પ્રોગ્રામિંગ પ્રોબ્લેમ થશે. Now next example. Obtain the dual linear programming problem of the following primal linear programming problem. Minimize z is equal to x1 plus 2x2 subject to the constraint 2x1 plus 4x2 less or equal to 160. x1 minus x2 is equal to 30 x1 greater or equal to 10 and x1 comma x2 greater or equal to 0. પ્રાઇમલ લિનિયર પ્રોગ્રામિંગ પ્રોબ્લેમમાં ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ ફંક્શન મિનિમાઇઝેશનમાં છે તો ચેન્જ all less or equal type constraint to greater or equal type constraint by multiplying the constraint on both sides by -1. Also write equal type constraint equivalent to two constraint of the type greater or equal and less or equal. Then the given primal linear programming problem can be rewritten as minimize zx is equal to x1 plus 2x2 subject to the constraint minus 2x1 minus 4x2 greater or equal to minus 160. સેકન્ડ કન્સ્ટન્ટ ઇક્વલ ટાઈપ છે તો x1 minus x2 greater or equal to 30, x1 minus x2 less or equal to 30. હવે ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ ફંક્શન મિનિમાઇઝેશનમાં છે તો આ લેસ ઓર ઇક્વલ છે તો એને ગ્રેટર ઓર ઇક્વલ કરવા માટે બંને સાઈડ -1 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીશું. Therefore, minus x1 plus x2 greater or equal to minus 30 અને x1 greater or equal to 10 and x1 comma x2 greater or equal to 0. Let y1, y2, y3 and y4 be the dual variables corresponding to the four constraints in the given order. The dual of the given primal linear programming problem can then be formulated as follows. ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ ફંક્શન પ્રાઇમલમાં મિનિમાઇઝેશનમાં છે તો ડ્યુઅલ લિનિયર પ્રોગ્રામિંગ પ્રોબ્લેમમાં ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ ફંક્શન મેક્સિમાઇઝેશનમાં આવશે. Maximize zy is equal to minus 160 y1 plus 30 y2 minus 30 y3 plus 10 y4. Subject to the constraint minus 2y1 plus y2 minus y3 plus y4 less or equal to 1. Minus 4y1 minus y2 plus y3 less or equal to 2. And y1 comma y2 comma y3 comma y4 greater or equal to 0. Let y is equal to y2 minus y3. y2 greater or equal to 0 છે, y3 greater or equal to 0 છે. The above dual problem then reduces to the form maximize zy is equal to minus 160 y1 પ્લસ બીજા અને ત્રીજા પદમાંથી 30 કોમન લો y2 minus y3 અને y2 minus y3 is equal to y. Then plus 30y plus 10y4. Once again, maximize zy is equal to minus 160y1 plus 30y plus 10y4. Subject to the constraint minus 2y1 plus y2 minus y3 and y2 minus y3 is equal to y put करो तो plus y plus y4 less or equal to 1. And second constraint minus 4y1 minus y2 plus y3 is equal to minus y. तो minus 4y1 minus y less or equal to 2 and y1 comma y4 greater or equal to 0. Y unrestricted in sign. Since second constraint in the primal linear programming problem is equality, therefore as per rule 6, corresponding second dual variable y is equal to y2 minus y3 should be unrestricted in sign. Rule 6. If the ith primal constraint is equality type, then the ith dual variables is unrestricted in sign and vice versa. Therefore, y unrestricted in sign. तो આ પ્રાઇમલ લિનિયર પ્રોગ્રામિંગ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે એને કરસ્પોન્ડ ડ્યુઅલ લિનિયર પ્રોગ્રામિંગ પ્રોબ્લેમ આ થશે.